Hello, kiddos, and welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. I hope you all are doing great. In today's lesson, we shall learn a new sound as always, but before that, we shall revise some previous sounds. Let's say them quickly. T, p, l, h, k, a, e, o, a, d, f, g, and kudos! I hope you have got the same speed. And since you remember all these sounds, you deserve to learn something new. So let's begin our today's story. Listen to the story carefully because you will find the new sound in this story. Let's get it started. Gran is looking after Bill and his baby brother Ben. Gran takes Bill and baby Ben to the park. Gran stops to watch the boats on the lake and to listen to the band playing. She finds a bench and sits down. Soon she and baby Ben are dozing in the sun. Bill sees his friend Rob, who has a bat and a ball set. They find some more of their friends and have a game of baseball. Bill throws the ball for Rob. As the ball hits the bat, it goes b, b, b. Then it is Betty's turn. She bashes the ball as hard as she can. It just misses Gran, but bounces and hits the bench. Gran and baby Ben wake up. I think I had better keep a safe distance from the baseball, says Gran, and she pushes baby Ben along the path at the side of the boating lake. And this is the end of our story. Hope you have liked it. So, did you hear any sound in the story? Anything specific? Yes, we heard a sound that was b, b, b when the ball hits the bat. Right? So, this is our today's sound b. And now we are going to see that how do we do the action for b. So, if you want to say b, pretend to hit a ball with a bat and say b, b, b. Look at this girl. Just like she's holding her hands, you have to hold your hands like this and pretend to hit a ball with the sound b, b, b. I hope you have got it. And now it's time to learn the formation of b. So finger up in the air. We start with the red line straight down to the blue, up on the same line and round. B. Let's do it once again. Go straight down, up on the same line and round. B, b, b. And now if you have got your worksheets, so please open them up and start writing b with me. Go down, up on the same line, round. B. Down, up, round. B. B. This one is not nice. Please try to write within the lines. Down, up, round. B. Say it after writing. B. 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 And it's time to write in the lines. So be careful. We need to start with the top red line to the last blue line, up on the same line, and make a circle in the blue lines. B. Go down, come up, round. Down, up, round. B. B. Kudos! You did it so nicely. And now let's move on to our next worksheet where we will circle the pictures in which we hear the b sound and leave the others. Okay? B, bun, computer. B, bun, computer. B, bun. B, boy, scooter. Boy, scooter. B, boy. B, cloud, burger. Cloud, burger. B, burger. B, ball, cake. Ball, cake. B, ball. B, rooster, bicycle. Rooster, bicycle. B, bicycle. Whoa, you did it so nicely. Now let's move further and take out your next worksheet. Here we need to check the pictures where we hear the b sound and cross out the others. Okay? The first picture is of a bicycle. B, bicycle. Do you hear b in bicycle? Yes, we do. This is how we write b, so just keep in mind that we are finding this sound b. Flower. Flower. Do you hear b? No. Balloons. Balloons. B. Balloon. Yes, we have b here. Otter. Otter. B. Otter? No. Cross. Bird. Bird. B. Bird. Check. Radio. Radio. B. Radio. No. So make a cross. And now it's time to draw something here that has b sound in it. So get started, pause the video, draw something here with the b sound, and then we are going to do the most important part of our lesson that we called blending. Right? So let's get started. B, a, bag, bag. Quickly. Bag. B, a, bad, bad. Quickly. Bad. B, a, bed, bed. Quickly. Bed. B, a, b, bin. Quickly. Bin. B, a, but, but. Quickly. But. Kudos! What a tremendous work. You really blended so well. And now is the time for our next part of lesson that we call segmenting. We'll do some segmenting or dictation. So let's get started. Listen to the sounds carefully and write them down. The first word that I'm saying is bought. Finger tap it. B, ought, bought. Let's write it. B, bought, bought. Read it once. B, ought, bought. Correct. Second word is cab. Cab. Finger tap. K, a, cab, cab. Let's write it. K, a, cab, cab. Say quickly. Cab. Well done. Next word is rub. Rub. Finger tap it. B. Rub. Let's write it. B. Rub. Whoa, well done. Let's try to write beg. B. A. G. Beg. B. A. B. G. Beg. Last word is bag. Bag. Finger tap it. B. A. G. Bag. Let's write it. B. A. G. Bag. Whoa, this is amazing. You are so good at segmenting and dictation. And it's time for your treat. So you can do some coloring in this paper, but be careful, color in only the pictures where you hear the b sound. The names of the pictures are raincoat, brush, mittens, boots, and bush. Raincoat, brush, mittens, boots, and bush. So you can start it now, or if you want to first end the lesson. So let's quickly listen to your homework. You have to find 5 things in your room that have b sound in them. And once you are done with this, you can do an activity. You can paint your hands with some finger paint and paste them on a piece of paper to make a hand printed butterfly. Add 2 eyes and 2 antennas to give it some more details. And we are done with our today's lesson with this. If you liked it, so please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button as well so you can watch my next video as I upload it. I will see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.